Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to listen audiobooks for free on Spotify. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Spotify and tap on search bar. Tap on next and allow and tap on search bar and search audiobook, and you can see this audiobook in front of you, and I am play the audiobook and you can see this audiobook is open. So guys, I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below and press the bell icon for my new videos update. Take care, bye bye.